Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have a beautiful and grateful day. So today I am here with my another vlog, and this vlog is for beauty lovers. So today, as you all can see, that I actually recreated the Kylie Jenner's yellow eyeshadow part. So before upload this vlog, I'm gonna show you the cut crease eyeshadow part, which I also recreated from the Kylie Jenner's eyeshadow. So yes, you have to be present here, like you have to watch my full vlog. Until then you will loved it. So after this vlog, I'm gonna upload this vlog also. That is one which you can see right now. So yes, let's start. So here I'm using Vasanti eye concealer to conceal my eyeshadow area. Also I'm using the Maybelline eye eraser concealer to blend the eye base area. So first I took the first eyeshadow, that is the brown shade, and then I just started the blending. Make sure you blending very nicely and perfectly, so it looks the transition very well. After this brown eyeshadow part, I use the angular brush to cut and crease. So after applying the warm eyeshadow, apply concealer or foundation to cut the crease with the help of angular brush, and then set the concealer with a neutral powder before applying nude eyeshadow to your lids. Now line the upper eyelid with the help of black eyeliner and add a coat of mascara. So here I am recreating the Kylie Jenner's eyeshadow makeup part. So as you can see, it looks like a very graphic eyeliner. So here it is. Many of you all confused that what to use to cover the eye bags and dark circles to hide it. So I'm using the Vasanti color corrector, that is the concealer also, and the orange corrector also. So I just first I apply onto my eye bags and the dark circles, and then I just wait for 30 seconds. Then I just set with this that is a foundation brush. In this makeup look, she used very minimal of concealer, like the foundation or concealer. You can cover your face full of concealer also, but I use very minimal. I'm not using the foundation, I'm only use the concealer part. So after the concealer part, I use the Swiss Beauty contour palette, which is I bought from India, and it's very very amazing, and it looks like that you can flaunt your cheekbones. After the contouring part, I use the blush, which helped from the lipstick. So it is the Milani lipstick, and I love that blushing part because it's looks very natural and dewy kind of. So I just set from the that is a blusher, and then after that I applied some lipstick, and then some finishing touch up from the mascara and all. Okay, so here it is my look, recreating Kylie Jenner's look. She also showing some her skill. Okay guys, so that was it. That was my today's vlog. If you love this, so please drop some comments and like, share, subscribe to my channel. So till then, bye, take care.